Potato.
Hi, potato. Good evening. Can you hear teacher? Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah.
Okay, how are you today?
Right.
You're fine. That's good. Did you went to school today? Potato.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
and did you had fun in the school?
Yeah.
Was it fun? Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, so potato, let's not wait too long. Let's have our activity this evening. So let me share to you the screen so we can start immediately with our lesson this evening. Okay, wait me potato. We are now here at unit number 6. And here, potato, can you
Yeah.
tell me what is unit 6 all about? Unit 6 is about, what is it?
And more and Ellen.
Okay, very good. So unit 6 is all about animals and alien. Do you know, potato, can you tell me what's your favorite animal?
Eat
It's
dragon.
dragon. Wow. It no longer exists nowadays, potato. That what but before they said that there's a dragon already. Now here, how about alien? You know what's an alien?
No.
You don't know what's an alien? Oh no.
Alien. In the
Okay. Oh, I thought you don't know. All right. So here, let's have vocabulary words before we start with our proper lesson. What's the first word, potato?
sea.
Okay, body. You know what's the body? You know body, right?
No.
Body. Look at the picture. That is an example of a body. The
Yeah.
body of the person. It's composed of different parts. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. How about this one? What's the second word? What's the second word?
Um.
We have the arm.
Um.
Correct. Where is your arm, potato? Can you show teacher where is your arm?
I don't have arm.
You don't have arm? Oh no. Potato doesn't have arm. Are you sure? Oh, no. You have an arm because you have a complete body part.
Arm.
Next. How about this one?
Yeah.
Ear. Do you have ear?
No.
No ear too. Oh, are you an alien?
I have ear.
Huh? How many ears do you have, potato? How many ears do you
Have
have? I have.
102.
You have 102 ears? Oh no. Where are the other ears? I think if you have 102 ears, you have one ear on your nose, near your mouth, in your body, and even in your armpit. Okay? Next.
Ear.
How about this one? What is this?
I
Eye. How many eyes do you have?
I have 100.
You have 100 eyes?
Eye.
Okay, next, another word. What's the next word? Potato. We have,
But
okay, the face. Okay, we have the face. And
Face.
what's this?
I don't know.
Oh, please read.
Oh,
Okay, foot. All right, foot. Okay,
I
next.
have
Foot.
2 feet.
I have 2 feet. If
Yeah.
it's only one, you will say foot. If it's two, you say feet. Okay, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Next, we have here another body part. What is this?
I don't know. Hand.
Hand. Correct.
Hand.
Next, what's this?
Mouth.
Ah, is
Head.
that head?
Head.
Correct. This one, what is this? This is
Leg.
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 Correct. Next, what's this? This is mouth. Okay.
Mouth.
Next, what's next?
No.
Nose.
Nose.
And last we have here is the
Tail.
tail. Okay, tail.
Tail.
All right, so some animals have tail. Okay, and how about this one? Oh, what is this? What's the word? We have alien. Okay, so alien says that they said that alien lives in the outer space. Okay, it's in the
Alien.
universe. Okay, so we have here grammar. What are the letters A, E, I, O, U? What do we call them? They are what we called as?
And
They are the five what?
what?
Again? They are the five vowels. Okay, so again, potato. What are the vowel letters? What are the vowel letters?
I don't know.
Oh, look at the screen. What are the vowel letters? We have
I
A.
know.
Look at the letters. It's on the screen. A, E, I, O.
You.
Okay. Good. Next. How about here? Please read. There are. Please read.
I don't know.
Okay, please read. There are.
There are all five in short book.
Okay. So we have there are five English short vowels. Okay, next. We use potato. We use an.
What?
Please read. We use an.
We use anti-forward being with
A, E, I,
I
O, or.
U.
Okay, we use
example,
an, for example.
An apple and orange.
Okay, so here, potato. Words that starts with these vowel letters like A, E, I, O, U, we use an before these words. For example, an elephant, an orange, an apple, an egg, okay? All words that starts with letter or with the vowel letters. Next, we use a, come on,
What?
please read. We use a before words. Go.
We end with vowel
That begin with
that begin with
other letters. Oh, words that doesn't start with vowel letter, we use a. Okay, for example, a mouse. Please read, a mouse. Potato. Please read. What are the examples? What are the examples?
example. An elephant. A mouse. A crab. A dinosaur.
Okay. A mouse. Come on. A grape.
And a dinosaur.
Okay, very good. So these words doesn't start with letter or with the vowel letters. That's why we use a or a. Now here, potato, you're going to draw lines to what do we use in this kind of words. For example, arm. Arm starts with letter A. So it's a vowel letter. That's why we use an. So you're going to draw lines to the an. Okay? Because it starts with vowel letters. How about body? Is it a body or unbody? Can you draw lines?
No.
Come on. Oh, what? Tell me the answer. Body, a or an?
I don't know.
Oh, body. What letter is the start of the word body? It starts with letter. What
E.
letter? B. Is it a vowel or not?
Not.
Oh, a or an? Is it?
Ah.
I very good. I thought you don't know. Next, what's the third word we have?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, please read. Please
Yeah.
read. What's the next
Ear.
word? Ear.
Ear.
Okay, what do we use with ear? A ear or an ear? What is it? A ear or an ear? What is it? It's
Ear.
a ear. Look at the letter. It starts with letter E. Is it a vowel or not?
Not.
Oh, what are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U.
I-O-U.
Okay. Ear does the
Ear.
word ear start with vowel or not?
No.
So what's the answer? A or an? Potato. Okay. Your answer is next. How about I? A I or an I?
And.
Okay, an I. Very well. I cannot write. Okay, how about face? A face or unface?
And foot.
Again, a face
And
or
foot.
unface? Oh no. F is not vowel. How about foot? A foot or unfoot?
Oh.
Okay, a foot, correct. How about hand? A hand or unhand?
And.
Oh no. Okay, next. How about head? A head or unhead?
And.
How about leg? A leg or unleg? And are you sure? Letter L, is it a vowel letter?
No.
Oh, what's the answer? A or an?
I don't know.
Oh, potato. Vowel letters are A, E, I,
DC.
O, U. All words that starts with vowel letters use an. Oh, leg. Is it vowel or not?
Not.
Not. So we use ah. Next, how about mouth? Vowel or not?
Ma.
Not. So we use
Oh.
very good. Next, nose. Vowel or not?
Oh.
Nose. Ah,
Oh.
good. Tail. Vowel or not?
Not.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so potato, let's check your answer. So we have here first body. We have here a body, correct. An ear. Oh, look at potato, not a ear because ear starts with letter E and E is a vowel letter. It should be an ear. Next, an eye. Next, a face. Next, a foot. Oh, correct, a foot. A hand, not an hand, but a hand. Because hand starts with letter H, which is not a vowel letter. Next, head, correct? A head. Next, a leg, correct? A mouth, correct? A nose, a tail. Okay, very good. Now, potato, let's have a review. Potato, read all the words that we have here. Come on, let's have a review. Please read. An arm, go.
An arm.
Next. What's next?
A body.
Next.
An ear.
Next.
Next.
Yeah.
An
After
eye.
an eye. Next.
A foot.
Okay, next. A face.
A fight. A foot.
Next.
A hand. A leg.
A
A
head.
head. A head. A leg. A mouth. A nose. A
Oh,
tail.
okay, perfect. Very good. Next, we have here the following. Okay. All right, potato. Look at here. You are going to read this one. Look at the picture, read the sentence, and put a tick if it's correct in the sentence. Tick cross or put cross if it's not. For example, look at number 1. Please read sentence number 1.
What?
Please read number 1.
Wow.
This is
There's a hand.
okay. Look at the arrow. Is this a hand?
No.
No, that's why we put cross. Next, number 2. What's number 2? I want you to read number 2. Read potato number 2.
There's a nose.
Okay, look at the picture. This is a nose. Tick or cross?
Tick.
Tick. Okay, next, number 3. This is, go.
There's is an I know.
Okay, this is an I. No, it's cross. Next, number 4.
4. It's a leg.
Okay, this is a leg. What's the answer? Tick or cross?
Tick.
Okay, tick. Next. Next, potato.
What?
Number 5.
This is a map. No.
This is a mouth. No.
Yeah.
Yes, tick or cross? Tick. Okay, next, number 6. These are?
There are
These are
Yes.
arms. What's the answer?
Yes.
Okay. Are you sure these are arms? Look at the picture.
No.
No, so put cross. Next, number 7. Please read 7.
Number 7 is the head.
This is a head. What's the answer?
No.
Cross. Okay, next, number 8. This is?
The little tail.
This is a tail. What's the answer?
Frog.
Okay. Are you sure it's cross?
No. Correct.
What? Okay, correct. Next, number 9, potato. What's number 9? These are?
All feet.
Okay, what's the answer?
Yeah.
Okay, look at there. Look at the picture. What is in the picture? This is an? What is in the picture, potato?
Mondo.
Monster? It has 5-letter words. 5-letter word. What is that? It starts with letter A.
What?
It starts with letter A. What is this?
This is an island.
Very good. How do we spell alien? How do you write alien? What are the letters? Letter?
T.
Huh?
T.
Letter A. Next letter A. Alien. Letter?
Letter E.
E?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
Next.
No. I.
Letter I. Okay. Next. What's next?
E.
Next. Is that the spelling of alien? Are you sure? Can you read it? Is it alien?
No.
How do you spell the correct spelling of alien? What are the correct letters? Alien. What is it?
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. Wait me. Okay, potato, let's check now your answer. Number 1 is the example. Number 2, this is a nose. Number 2 is very good. It's a nose. Number 3, this is an eye. Very good. What is number 3, potato? Why it's not an eye? What is the picture showing to us? It is a
Hand.
hand. Correct. Number 4, this is a leg. Correct. Number 5, this is a mouth. Correct. Number 6, these are arms. Uy, very good. What is number 6, potato? Why it's not arms? Why it's not arms? Because,
Don't know.
what is it? Picture 6? Why the answer arms is cross? What it should be? What do you think, potato?
I think it's no.
Okay, no. Why it's no? What part of the body is number 6? What part of the body is number 6? It's the...
The island.
Huh? What part of the body? Look at number 6. Where does it pointing? It is pointing to its... What is it? Pointing to the...
I.
Hi, correct. Correct. Very good. Next, number 7. This is a head. The answer is very good. Cross. Why cross is the answer? Number 7, potato. Cross because
It's the arm.
arm. Very good. It's not the head, but it's the arm. Next, number 8. This is a tail. Correct. Tail. Number 9. These are feet. Okay. Very good. Okay, look at your answers, potato. And look at number 10. Oh, how do you spell potato? Look at the answer. It's correct that it's alien, but the spelling isn't correct. How do we spell alien? Potato.
What?
Potato, how do we spell alien? A.
A.
Next. L.
L. I. E. N.
Okay. A-L-I-E-N. All right. Very good, potato. You got it. Okay, potato, wait me. Potato, you enter again to the Zoom class because the Zoom is about to close, okay? Enter again
Yeah.
for you.